Try this noodles recipe next time, a secret recipe for a better than the restaurant dish. In a pot, add warm water, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Bring the water to a boil, then add 100 grams of noodles. Let cook for 7 minutes. Then take the pot from the stove, drain the water with a colander. Now in a pan, pour a drizzle of oil, add 3 garlic cloves, 1 chopped onion, and sauté. Take a moment to tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a huge hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. When the onion is translucent, add half a cup of chopped cabbage, 1 green bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, half a cup of grated carrot, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and sweat the veggies. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love noodles. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and sauté for 1 more minute. Finally, add the noodles and stir. And you guys, this recipe is super easy to prepare with ingredients you can easily have in your fridge. It's super delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And our recipe is done. You just need to serve it and enjoy it. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.